law, fitness, all these crackers trying to sound Hispanic on my ass. Fuck racism. I know what they've been telling you, brother. Whatever they've been saying, it's dead wrong. They're lying. Don't listen. You hear? Look at all this shit. This concrete is trapping us like a cage. Now, I hear a lot of people saying stuff like, this system is broken. The system ain't broken, brother, because it wasn't designed to work in the first place. At least not for people like us. The sole purpose of this society is to exploit people like you and me. No other reason for its existence. Okay? That's why we've got to take them down. They don't care if you live or die, so long as they can work you to the bone before your time's run out. And the only way we can fight their fire is with our own fire. You see that sign, brother? Well, that's no sign. It's an effigy to the cult of capitalism. Remember this, the revolution won't start itself. It's up to us to light the first flame. It'll bring about a clean slate for our anarcho-communist utopia. Brother, we have so much work to do.